Okay, welcome to the channel, and it's another day over here in Texas, and we're at the auction trying to get some tools. I guess we're going to see if we can get any. I'm ably helped by my daughter today. She has her own channel, and I'll put a link in the description so you can go get your kids to go check her channel out. Well, we have quite the salvage selection here today. We had to be very careful down here in southeast Texas because of Hurricane Harvey from 2 years ago. Lots of vehicles, lots of homes were flooded. So there's quite a possibility some of the ones that are here will have flood damage. So far I found a couple of possible things. Did we auction this old grinder? And definitely this old vise. This drill is a beast. Of course, absolutely no idea if it works or not, but that shouldn't be a problem.
About 50. About 50. It's not going to start. It works good. Just needs some carburetor work. 50. About $50 down. Take it $50 down. 50. When you get $25 down. $25 down. Take it $5 down. 25. About $25 down. Take it about 25. 35. Yes, be $35 down. 35. 35. $45 down. $45 down. Take it 45. What do you say? Upstairs. 45. About $45 down. Take it $45 down. 45. 35. Here down. $45 down. 40. 45. 40. How about that? About 40 down. 5. About $45 down. Take it $45 down. Sold them upstairs. $40. $40 down. 31.10. 31.10.
Squirrel cage. Squirrel cage. 1050.
Squirrel cage. They said it worked. Man said it worked. How much? 20. About $20 down. Take it to $20 down. 20. Would you give me $20 down? Take it to $20 down. 20. Would you give me $24 down? Take it to $20 down. $10 down. $10 down. 10. Would you give me $10 down? Take it to $10 down. $10 10. On the squirrel cage. 10. 15. $15 down. You'd have to be 15 now. $15 down. Take it to $15 down. 15. Sold them. $10 bid. $10 bid on better number. I had 10 right here. I asked you for 15. Well, here, sold it. $10 bid. 14, 13. 14, 13.
Boat anchor and a vice. 1025.
Boat anchor and vice.
Yeah.
And a little vice. 20. How about $20 down? Take it to $20 down. 20. But you get 24 down. What a combo. 10. How about $10 down? $15 down. 15. 15. $20 down. Back to you. 20. How about 20 down? $5 down. $25 down. $30 down. 30. Both of y'all are out now. 30. How about 30 down? $5 down. 35. $35 down. $35 down. Take it to $35 down. 35. All the other out. $35. $40 down. Take it to $40 down. $45 down. $45 down. Take it to $45 down. 45. How about 45? $50 down. $50 down. Take it to $50 down. 50. Would you give me 54 down? 45. Here down. 50. About $50 down. Take it to $50. Sold it. 45. Sold it. 45. 11. 7.